Assalamu alaikum and welcome guys, and we're here again with Minahil here volume 2 new SKU, and there's another good news that we're available on Daraz now, so yeah, catch us up on daraz.pk as well. Moving forward, this is our new catalog which have all the designs available for this collection. Basically we've got 5 designs, and today which design we're gonna go unboxing is Seher Pink. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do the unboxing. This product is from volume 2, and as you can see, the code for this product is M203 Seher Pink. This is a beautiful pastel colors including pink, green and light pink colors. So let's open it up. What we have here initially is the front of the shirt, which has the sequence work plus tilla added, and it's making it glow more nicer. It has this shocking pink color and subtle golden color, and then there's a bright pinch of tilla. So yeah, it's coming out really nice. This is front of the shirt, as you can see, and every detail you see is laser cutted and it's neatly done, no other flaws or anything. So this is front of the shirt. Then what we have here is the borderline neckline for the shirt, as you can see here. So it's the same. Moving forward, what we have here is the front panel for the shirt. Again, laser cutted, nicely done, and the color pastel coming out really glowing here. You see, it's the shading of the work, again added tilla in between to glow, and this looks really amazing as shown in the picture. The borderline. So yeah, moving forward, this is our back of the shirt. Again, back and front of the shirt is in net organza. Next, what we have here is the panel, which could be used for the back of the shirt. You see, on the back of the shirt, this panel would be used on the bottom. Again, this is laser cutted, nicely done. This is the front. You see, nice details. Again, the color pastel looking very nice. So this is basically a wear that you can use for any functions coming up on weddings. You can either wear for engagements or any other functions you're attending. So yeah, it's a formal wear. And what this is basically arms, as you can see in the pictures. These are the both arms for the suit that we have. Again, with arms we can add the same border as available for the back of the shirt here. So we've got 2 panels for border of shirt, back, as well as for the arms. Next that we have is another concept that Minahil Haya has introduced. This is a dupatta that we have, but we've got this 4-sided border with the same. This is a 4-sided border that you can add to your dupatta. Again, this is coming out really nice. Uses dark combination of colors. It's shocking pink and the light tones of pink coming out really nice with the tilla and sequence work on our patches, which you can use on 4 sides of dupatta. Furthermore, what we have added here is basically this is a 2-sided border, which could be used on one side of dupatta and the other hand. So yeah, this looks really magnificent. You see this work. So this is 2-sided border, and then we have 4-sided border, and this is our main dupatta, which is in breeze net. Again, this fabric is not that itchy. We've worked on the quality. Next that we have is, this is basically the pallu. As you can see, the work is neatly done. Everything is nice and subtle. Last but not least, this is our slub silk dupatta, trouser, unstitched trouser, and the fabric quality, as you can see, this isn't see-through at all. So women have this basic problem of trousers being see-through, and we've worked on that. So this is the quality of our work, and I hope you guys like this video and this product as well, because we've worked really hard and we're working on your suggestions, and we're going to come up with new designs, inshallah. Thank you. Please share your feedback. Minahil here, volume 2, M203. Stay tuned. Bye.